Alright.
There's something outside, guys. There's something outside the base.
There's something.
There you go. Probably carrying an item.
Oh, we gotta get the fuck back.
Yeah. Tell me
Oh,
about
it's right there.
Oh,
Oh, no, 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 no,
Run to the ship. Run to the ship.
Fucking dog thing.
That thing's fucking huge! It's got
Get in the ship. Get in the ship. Get in the ship.
you got Andrew?
Oh god, I saw it on the camera. Oh my!
Close that shit. Teleport the. They need to teleport our bodies.
Oh my god!
There's really nothing here. Ooh. Ah, shit. Man.
Oh yeah.
Welcome to the club.
Oh, man.
Womp womp.
Did you guys see that?
Let's just.
There ain't shit in here! Yeah, this is fucking.
That fucking sucks.
Oh, see that's the side.
Caesar?
Caesar.
Caesar?
Why we turn them on? Turn them on. Spider's right here. Spider's right here.
That is not a spider.
It is.
No, it's not.
That's not
That
a
is
fucking
not a
Ryan.
spider.
That is not a spider.
Hey,
Are my friends dead? Team? Hello? What the fuck? Oh. Guys, I repeat, there's a big ass monster in the outside. Guys, I was outside. I was outside with an item.
Oh, what the?
I was
I
outside.
swear
with...
you were still.
died, bro. There's a fucking giant.
Yes, I know. I need to
Yeah.
grab the item. Hold up. Let me open this bitch.
I thought everybody was dead.
No, I
Right
fucking.
there, bro.
I ran past 2 dead bodies. Fuck it. I have a funny clip of that. Fuck it, I'm risking my life.
Do it now. Go.
Oh,
Oh, he made it. He made it.
oh, I'm fucking clutch. Call me LeBron.
Oh my god, he's right there!
Leave.
Hey, yo, can you buy me a flashlight, though?
Oh, we're broke as shit.
Alright.
We got no money. We got no bitches, no food, no money, no bitches.
Am I supposed to be doing something right now?
I'm running.
What?
Oh, Rexette.
Oh,
Where are you guys at?
guys, what was that? Hey Diego, I don't think we're alone here anymore.
Wait, how did he die? Did it say how he died?
I don't know.
He suffocated.
What?
Where are you, Roxanne?
I'm by the fire exit. Are you guys
Tell my wife and kids I love them. Tell my wife and kids I love them.
How do I help you?
You can.
Diego, no, Diego! Stop! Get away! Yeah!
Meant to rip that shit
Fuck this internet, you got us way! Yeah! Yahweh!
Oh shit, it's a dog.
Oh, the dog?
What dog?
Oh. Spectate Caesar, you could hear it.
Oh my god, that is not a dog, dude.
Gotta get the fuck.
Hi, Caesar.
Caesar.
Hey, Caesar, what's up?
Caesar, yeah, you got churro killed.
I was trying to help him.
Start it, go.
You could have went around.
Oh, hell no.
You fucking suck at this game. Why did it go so wrong?
If I just stay up there till midnight.
Who's munching, bro?
This motherfucker.
We lost everything because of you. All our shit is gone.
Big scanner.
Big weapon. I love big weapons.
Big weapons.
You got a big sir. I love big.
Damn.
That's where they went.
Hold up, let me go.
They don't have a walkie to tell them to. It might be like a bird or some shit.
I don't see anything.
Or maybe it's underground and it's gonna like.
Maybe.
Ugh, I hear growling.
Oh, I see it. It's a dog. It's a dog. It's a
Diego,
dog.
hop
Go
in. Diego,
inside.
get in.
Go
Diego,
inside.
get
Just
in.
close it. Just close it. Just close it. Just close it.
Oh my god!
What happened? Who died?
I think it got Roxanne.
Where are you?
It's in the fucking ship, bro.
Holy shit! Oh no, I get him. Damn, he's got fucking Coke bottles, bro. What is that?
Open the door.
I got the fucking
the
door.
door.
Caesar, open the door.
Open the fucking
Caesar,
door.
Open the door.
Open the fucking door, Caesar.
Caesar, open the fucking door.
Caesar, I'll kill all of them. I'll kill all of them, Caesar.
Where
Caesar,
the
open the
fuck did
door,
you find
bro.
that?
Caesar,
Caesar, we're about to die. We're about to die, bro.
Caesar, I'm about to kick your ass in real life.
We got hella shit, you
Fuck.
motherfucker.
There's nothing outside.
Okay. What? Oh, oh,
What is it?
Jared's dead.
Flashlight.
Jared's dead.
There's like a giant.
Jared?
He's
We gotta
dead.
get the fuck out of here. We gotta get the fuck out of here.
Does he die?
There's a fucking
Oh,
jelly
yeah.
chasing after me, Isaac and Caesar, and I think we might be fucked.
Okay. One of us can survive. Here, someone take this medal.
I'll take the metal. I'm in the metal. Yeah, Jane is a punk bitch, but oh, you're right there. Not even left us.
Oh, wait, maybe both of us can survive, Caesar. You may go after me.
Uh-oh.
You dumb motherfucker, dude. Bro actually killed both of us. Caesar?
Oh my god. Oh my god, we're dumbass. How did you die?
I'm not gonna say.
Hello?
Dude, that's so
Just a
stupid.
motherfucker.
Wait,
Just a
why
motherfucker.
did both of you fucking jump off?
Diego,
Like,
message your on the ship with us.
at least one of us, dude. You guys are both fucking dumb, dude.
You guys might
Uh,
be dead. Fucking wage cucks. Look at you guys carrying items.
Hey, Vincent,
ring the
Vincent, Vincent, spam the bell. Just spam the bell.
It doesn't fit, it doesn't fit.
What's the bell?
This one.
Oh.
You fucking lost 20% of our profit, you fuck.
That should look like the battle pass.
Why?
Is it a hoarding bug? Oh, it's a hoarding bug. Give it an item. Give it an item.
I don't have anything.
Oh my god, what is it?
It
I
hoards
don't have an
items.
item.
Alright, then let's not fuck with it. Can you give an item?
No.
Yeah, I have items.
Drop it. Come in here. Drop it. Drop the item. Drop the item. Drop one of the items. Drop one of the items.
Did you chill?
Oh, he's not cheap. He's that motherfucking rich guy. Beat his ass.
Put the shovel, put the
Take
shovel.
the item from it. Take the item from it. Where's the shovel at?
Alright, everyone back the fuck up.
I'm
Back
outta
the fuck up.
here.
Back the fuck up.
Do I get
Where's the
my
shovel?
items?
Where's the shovel? God,
Dumb
you're gonna-
motherfucker, dude.
He's fucking me.
Oh, you're quick. You're blink right over here.
Oh, run.
Oh shit!
Oh, we're up. Go, just run. Go, fuck.
What the fuck is this?
Wait, let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back.
Oh my god.
I'm back on the ship if anyone needs to see. Jared's getting chased.
What the?
This shit can go through doors!
Guys, I think it's a ghost.
Go to your right. Jared.
Hey, Caesar, are you still alive by any chance? Brian?
Yes. Wait. Yes. He's with Roxanne.
Alright, cool. There is a
There are
black...
steps near the ship.
Brian, can you tell me how many shit...
The giant.
Can you tell me how many things are in this room with me?
I only saw one in that far corner.
Alright, how many items?
There's one more. Oh wait, never mind. This is the bug. There's three. Oh, these chains are
Yeah, there's. I
Oh.
think Jared and Roxanne made it out,
Get the
but
soul.
The
It goes
bug...
dead, I think.
The bug just clicked me.
I think if
The giant.
Hiding from the giant.
Oh
The giant
shit.
by the ship.
Oh my god, look at Isaac's fucking POV. Oh, Isaac's dead. Isaac's 100% dead. Oh.
It can't.
Hello? Caesar. He's coming. He's coming. It's a big guy.
Stop moving.
Oh, does he actually not see you? Oh. Oh, never mind.
That is so tragic. That's
He
so
put you all
fucking
up in
sad,
his
dude.
guts, bro.
Do not move.
Oh shit, Jared's the only one inside still?
Do not move.
God damn, Isaac.
Ryan said the fucking
Okay.
shit.
Roxanne. And you just,
Damn, bruh.
you're gonna have to listen to everything I say, okay?
I think it's just you and me, bro.
Okay, no, Roxanne, tell him we're alive. Tell him we're alive,
I'm
Roxanne.
stuck
Tell
in
him
here.
we're alive.
Hold on.
Roxanne,
Brian
tell
doesn't
him we're alive,
know.
please. Roxanne, tell him we're alive. Roxanne, tell him we're alive.
I don't have a light.
We're alive. Do not leave. We are alive. Do not leave, please.
Should run. He's leaving.
Follow me, Roxanne.
Oh,
Heading back to
Jared,
the ship,
Christ,
I guess.
Speak
bro.
coherently, Caesar, please.
They gotta run it, dude. I don't
There's a
think
giant.
they
I'm
make
turning
it.
off my walkie.
Oh, I'm here.
Okay, run. Oh, run.
I'm just watching
If you hear
Caesar
movement,
and
stop
Roxanne.
moving.
Run.
What the ship is
There it is. Go, you go first. Don't run, Roxanne.
She's a don't move, spike it to Roxanne. She's fucking moving.
How did he lose it? She's already on the ship.
Oh. Oh.
Yeah, yeah, go.
Was
The
there
giant
something
can't
there?
die.
What happened?
The giant, yeah.
The
Where's Caesar
giant.
go?
Look at fucking Roxanne right now. The giant is on the ship.
It's on it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh shit, I see him.
I don't
Yes,
see
sir.
Oh
I can
shit.
never say.
Okay.
You can see
Leave it
them.
open. Leave it open.
Run, it's open.
Run, Caesar, run, Caesar. Good.
Give us the.
Oh, what about Jared? They forgot about Jared.
That.
No, they left his ass.
Damn.
See you, Jared.
Oh, I heard something. What is this?
Oh.
Alright, gang.
Could you follow my voice, guys?
Caesar, where's Caesar?
I think I found him.
Who's in here? Oh, what up?
Look,
Who's this?
look.
Oh,
What's up, y'all?
I found a key. I found a key.
Oh.
Oh shit.
Oh, there's another one.
Caesar.
Oh shit.
Isaac. Let's keep going.
Oh wait, Apple.
Iron metal
I
sheet.
got it.
Let's go.
I have a key. I have a key. So let me know if you find a door.
Wait, Arturo.
I have a walkie now. Shout out to Caesar. What?
Diego, do not go over there.
Oh my god.
Can I kill it?
Ooh. Bye.
Welcome to Jackass.
Ah.
Run, 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 run.
I'm gonna leave the room. Oh. Oh fuck.
Oh, what is that? Vincent, Vincent! Vincent!
Smack it, smack it, smack it.
Hit me!
Drop the shovel, drop the shovel.
Why?
Oh, wait. Okay, never mind.
Stop this.
Brian, you missed all the fun.
I think it's down, Jade.
Here.
Over here, over here, over here.
Oh fuck.
This way.
Oh shit.
Run away, run away, run away, run away.
Oh shit, big spider.
Mac,
There's a
it's
spider
Mac.
behind us, just go.
Yo, Nick.
Yo, who's still in there? There's a lot of you in there actually.
Yeah.
How do we leave?
Did they die? Jared,
What?
I think they died.
No way they fucking died. From what?
Yup.
Do you know how to get out of here?
Nope.
Ugh.
Yep, Jared, I can confirm that they are dead.
Oh, the group is here.
The group is here too?
Yeah, we gotta leave.
Oh, fuck, hold up.
We'll follow this trail. Go ahead.
That's a spider.
Oh, never mind, never mind. I hope this is not the way out.
I think we're, I don't know if I'll make this.
Just go, just go.
Oh, run.
Fuck.
Oh, what the fuck is that? What the fuck is
What the fuck?
I think, just look at it, just look at it, Jared, look at it for me, look at it for me.
Okay, go, 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 go. Hurry, something's coming.
No. 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 I'm...
Oh my god.
What was that?
Oh my god, that shit was scary. Like, there's so many monsters, dude.
There's so many monsters.
Dude, me and Jared.
Alright, let's just all stick together.
No,
Vincent said, Vincent, you're dead.
no, Vincent.
Vincent.
No, fuck.
Someone else is dead.
Follow me, Vincent. Turn around and follow me.
Oh my god.
Wait, let's follow them. Wait, I wanna see this, I wanna see this. We'll give it like 5 seconds. Maybe.
They're getting farther away. Oh, there they are.
Oh, that's their
Oh, no.
fucking bodies just... Wait, Jared, be careful, you are so...
Alright, let's go to the fucking entrance, man.
Oh. So how's it?
There's also an air horn that I found, but
Nah, look at their fucking
Oh,
bodies,
yeah,
dude.
they drowned.
That's worth a lot.
Yeah,
Oh,
Brian's
shit.
here.
Yeah, Brian's here.
Who's in there?
I'm Brian.
Hello, Brian.
I'm
Plastic
slow as fuck.
bitch.
There's a fucking block of gold?
damn, what the fuck?
Damn.
That's the entire fucking
Bro, let's
quota,
leave.
bro.
Yeah, for real. Fuck the red. How did
Hey,
you...
we gotta go, bar. Fuck y'all, we're out of here. Speedrun.
I'll go with you guys.
Teleport him, teleport him.
Teleport Brian.
Teleport Brian.
Oh! Look, call me the clutch. Call me the clutch.
Oh my god. You can't do shit.
Man, bro, couldn't even leave the fucking spawn. Okay, let's go.
Yackle.
Ugh. Look down this hallway.
Oh,
Which hallway?
black man.
Ah!
It's after you, it's
She
after
looks
you, it's
like
after
Ryu
you.
from fucking
It's after
Death
you,
Note.
Jared.
Hey, you're not going anywhere? What'd you guys find?
Ryu from Death
I
Note.
can confirm Jared is dead.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah.
What else we got on here?
Can you teleport?
Oh,
Oh my god.
Alright, I'm gonna get the fuck up out of here.
oh my god, that scared me.
They got you too.
Oh, that scared me.
Oh my god, what the fuck is... Holy shit, run.
Where is it?
It's a fucking...
I
I don't fucking know what it is. It's that!
Everybody's dying.
Oh my god.
No, it's so close, bro! Fuck.
Me click
Wait,
off.
who's inside the building?
Roxanne.
Oh my god, the fucking bugs.
Oh, They definitely got clicked.
Don't go in there.
Oh,
Don't go in there.
we can't do anything. We literally cannot do anything because of the bees. Ooh, hear me out. Someone risk their lives and scare the bees away. Risk the bee. Scare the bees away. Oh,
Go scare him. Oh
They
my
just-
god.
Andrew
Bro,
just
somebody
killed.
just locked. Andrew just killed himself.
Wait,
All the bees are inside.
I also have a key. I just
My
found.
key's cooler.
I found the dustpans. Oh, let's do this. Oh shit.
Oh my goodness.
Diego. Diego?
He died?
Is he dead? You didn't hear that shit? That word.
Oh my god, Andrew.
There's nothing here there.
Yeah, I don't see anything
I'm Troy, where you guys at?
in the fucking hallway.
What the fuck? Oh my god, dude, I'm
You're not schizophrenic. There is something there. There is something there.
No! 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 Who is this? Oh no! You dumbass! Wait, does that mean Andrew? Oh my god! Where's the fucking fire Riggs? Where's the fucking fire? No!
We watched all of that.
Oh my god!
Deke, I told you there was something there. You didn't believe me.
You guys died by
What the fuck? Oh, how do we get? I don't know in what direction.
Run!
There's nothing here! There's nothing here! There's nothing past that turret!
Go downstairs, go downstairs.
I'm going for his body.
It killed two people. Run.
Scan them, who are they?
I
I'm
don't
taking their
know.
bodies outside.
Wait, Caesar, come
Who were they?
Okay.
Alright, so let's go.
Man.
I'm gonna assume
Is
one.
somebody going back to the ship? Can they open these fucking doors?
They got my poo poo, bro.
Jared, I got bad news for you.
Roxanne died.
Yeah,
Oh my! What the fuck is that noise?
Oh shit.
What? That's
They got poo
funny.
poo and Roxanne.
Run, everybody run!
Oh
Do you hear that? What is it?
Oh my god, dude.
Where's he?
He's
Nobody here.
Well, we have to. What was that?
Ethan, are you okay?
He's dead. You're holding him.
I'm not holding him. That's Ethan.
Yes, this is Ethan. Oh wait,
No,
no.
that's Vincent. That's Roxanne.
Oh wait, in.
Roxanne and Vincent.
Guys, I'm back in.
I'm not going in. I'm not going in.
Alright, Ethan's dead. Ethan is KIA. Ethan is KIA. We're
No,
going back
he
to
isn't.
ship.
I'm going back in for him.
Man, I want to see this.
Go. Come back in. Give him a walkie. Give him. Alright, I guess we can go. We can go through the emergency.
Wait, Andrew. Okay, go. Okay, let's go back into the ship.
Yeah, I think Ethan's dead.
The hallway. That way. Oh fuck! You know, fuck Ethan. Let's just take this shit.
Alright.
This is more money. Run.
Oh my god. This way. Run.
Why?
Don't go that way.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Let's see.
Run!
Oh, it's after me. God.
That's just gonna get you.
I'm dead.
Wait, who's there?
Run away. Run.
Why?
Run this way.
Why?
There's a
There's
monster.
nothing
There's a
there.
monster.
Big ass monster.
Vincent, how do I get out of here?
I came through this way, but there's
It's running!
Oh shit.
There's a
Oh, he's pissed off at me! Somebody help, please! Yaga! Ooh, get juked!
Oh.
Go!
Yeah.
Oh, he's still alive.
Oh, I'm dead?
Mic check. I'm out of juice.
Oh my god.
Oh man. Yeah.
Caesar, why did you always look behind us?
Wrong way this way.
Okay.
No way Andrew's leading us right now.
Watch out, Molly. I don't think this is the way, but this is the line right here. Who fucking died?
Caesar,
Dumbass.
you fucking retard.
Let's go back, boys.
We literally called this shit.
Like,
Let's go this one first. What's that red thing?
what?
Oh, it's right here.
Oh, there it is.
You guys, there's a warp!
No. Okay.
Did we all
Oh
break
my
it?
God.
Oh wait.
Yeah.
Here,
Wait.
just deposit this.
Andrew.
Bro, deposit.
Andrew's screaming, by the way. Andrew.
Follow us.
I found his body.
Okay, let's go.
Hey, Apple.
Run. I heard something. Run.
Made it.
Okay, I got his body too. Alright.
Pancake! Guys, look, there's a pancake right there! Look! Go back to you. Fuck me! How about I fuck you?
Who died already?
Diego?
How?
Please, can somebody else? Is somebody else here?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Give me that.
What is that?
Tail face.
Ghost guy. Don't look at him. He's going, run.
Joe, I'm trapped.
Jared's
I'm
dead.
trapped.
I might die any second now.
I'm trapped.
I might die any second now. Oh my god, that was fucking funny. I'm sorry, Caesar, but that was fucking hilarious.
There's a Jack in the box! Bro, he's following me.
Oh, hey. That spider's gonna chase
I'm
after
dead.
it. Just stay still. Don't move. Just stay still. Just...
Hey!
I ain't staying. There's no way I'm making it to the
Do you
end.
want to check what it is? You want to look at what the thing is?
What thing is?
The Jack in the Box.
Just go in there and experience it, you fuck.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Don't look at him. Don't look at him.
Holy shit! That shit is looking at Jared! That shit is looking at Jared! Holy fuck! What is that?
Oh my god.
Help us! Help us! He's dying! Roxanne, go straight, go straight, go straight, go straight, go straight, go straight,
Go straight, go straight, go straight, Roxanne, go straight, left. Look left a bit, look left a bit. Look left,
Roxanne fucking dead.
go straight. Oh.
No! Roxanne!
Let's follow. Let's.
Where you going, bitch?
Oh, watch out, Gov, watch out! I think he did. Who did he get this time?
Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. They're here, they're here. No, 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 no. Open the door, you need to.
Caesar, open the fucking goddamn door right now, I swear to God, bro. Close it.
Oh my god. Andrew, you're a dumbass.
Who is that over here?
What's up, bro?
Oh! Oh! Who's that fucking door? What? What a fucking dickhead.
Kill yourself, Jake.
I was just watching.
Where's Roxanne?
What happened?
I don't know who this is, but like I can't hear you.
Where's
I think
Roxanne?
that's Jared.
Roxanne. Oh!
Oh my god, I'm critical. I'm moist critical.
Jared, can you hear me?
I'm moist critical.
What's up?
I can't hear you. Shake your head yet to the
Anything with keys? I think that needs a key.
I take this shit. I can't leave. Go through the door. Kill it, bro.
Wait, I think someone died because of that.
You're all trying to get me killed.
Did someone die? Where'd you guys go? Oh, you come back.
I was following Roxanne like I was following Jared.
Guys, jump off the railing onto this beam.
Oh,
Fucking
damn.
die.
Damn, Roxanne, that's fucking crazy.
Wait, this beam? Oh, did I
Yeah.
just fuck it up? Guys, give me a ladder.
Bruh.
Dropping like flies, dude.
That's good. I don't know where I am.
Oh, this is
Caesar.
Nice,
Caesar,
dumbass.
jump onto the
Is it
railing
bomb?
again.
What railing?
The railing to your left.
Will I make it?
I don't know.
Fuck you.
Bruh.
Alright, you wanna go on, Jared?
What time is it? Let's see what time is it.
Let's go real quick.
It's 4:45. Yeah, we have time. Go, 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 go.
Let's go.
You guys know where it's at?
Nope.
Fire exit? I think I do.
Alright, you lead the way. Oh.
Never mind, I'm going back.
It's the worm! It's the fucking worm!
Oh my god.
I forgot there's the worm!
What? I've never run into a worm.
Oh my god.
It's you know the fucking the
Oh.
last.
Oh,
Oh, I found a jar of pickles, fellas.
we hit the big bugs.
There's a black guy in here.
Remember the way out, guys. And we gotta not go this way.
Oh my god, run!
Watch out, watch out, watch out, run, 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 run.
Up the stairs.
This is a dead end.
Fucking game is freezing. Isaac, how do we get
What
out?
is this?
Follow me, Drew.
Oh,
I'm out of stamina, bro.
god.
Over here, over
What's the way out?
Strike me down, Zeus. You don't have the balls.
I dare Zeus to strike down Andrew right now.
Oh!
Damn.
Are you serious?
I think that killed someone.
Okay, I'm dead. I can't
Bruh.
Kill 2 people, you fuck.
Bruh. Oh, you got my bottles.
Who teleported Brian?
There's a lot of them.
I think you got Caesar.
I just keep fucking
What? I couldn't do anything about it. I just had it.
Look at Jared's POV.
They jumped us, dude. There was like.
Bro, how the fuck are you supposed to get away
They
from
got them
us?
all. I think they're all dead.
There's a fucking ambush.
Yeah, for real. We got SEAL
Bro,
Team.
let's-
We got SEAL Team 6.
Let's stick my fucking
How'd you die?
Oh no no no!
Oh.
Andrew, you dumb motherfucker. I hate Andrew. Andrew, you're so stupid, bro.
What the fuck did I do?
You keep on fucking talking, dude.
You know you did. You know you did.
It didn't even show up on the fucking the thing.
You're retarded.
You're